Okay, so the first questions have to do with the core component of the virtual machines. So the core component of the virtual machines include the hypervisor. The hypervisors, which manages and allocates the host resources, the virtual hardware such as the virtual CPU and the memory, and after the memory we have uh, the network interface card and so on. So that is the core component of the virtual machines, which is the hypervisor, the CPU, the memory, the network interface card. Yeah. So uh, in a business settings, virtualizations can be leveraged to consolidate servers, reducing hardware costs and energy consumption. It also enhances disaster recovery by enabling um, quick VM replications and failover, um, without improving testing and development environment by allocating isolated instances and support cloud computing initiative by providing scalable and flexible infrastructure. So that answered the questions for question one, and question two have to do with um, server role. The server role is a major functions that a server performs, such as a web server or maybe a data based server, SQL, for example, or a domain controller. Active Directory. It defines the primary purpose of a server. A server feature, on the other hand, is a specific capabilities that support or enhances a server role. For example, the net frame is a feature that support many servers role. So determine which role and feature a server's needs involve understanding the business requirement. The applications that will run on the servers and the servers that the, and the services that the servers will provide um, to users on the to users or on other systems. So that answered the questions for the server role, and then the question three have to do with this is question three. Question three have to do with the primary function of Active Directory. Primary function of Active Directory is to provide a centralized directory service that manages users, computers, and other resources within a domain. So this helps to facilitate users and resource management by providing a single point of administrations for authentications, authorizations, and policies enforcement. So this help you, like if you are on the network, you have multiple computers. You have computers from all over. So Active Directory allow you to control all these computers from a centralized locations. You can reinforce password permissions and user right permissions. You share documents. So Active Directory can allow you to access all of that. Yeah. So it's common task that is performed by using Active Directory is creating and managing user accounts. That you want to create a user account. So Active Directory can allow you to do that, including setting password, assigning group memberships, and configuring access permissions. These are all things that Active Directory can help you to do. So thank you. I think that answered the question.